Your weight loss journey don't have to be so boring with the same old salads. Hi, welcome back. Today's video is the most recommended one, weight loss dinner recipes, but not the boring one. It is going to be delicious and nutritious at the same time. So let's start. But before that, if you're new here, consider subscribing to the channel. It means a lot to me.
The first recipe for today are these burger bowls, perfect for light dinners. They are so filling, healthy and delicious at the same time. Now, what are these burger bowls? It's just we take all the really awesome parts of a burger and strip it down, layering heaping portions of typical burger toppings on a bed of lettuce. Yeah, you got it. It's just that there are no burger buns. If you have your patties ready, then you can make these under 5 minutes time. It's quick, tasty, low carb, and that's all what you want, right? These burger bowls are to die for. Okay, let's make one. The first step is to grill the patties. These are chicken patties. I recommend you to make the patties beforehand. It's a lifesaver. I have got a video on the channel on how to make homemade burger patties. I've got two versions for you, one the chicken patty and the other vegan burger patty. Click above to check out how to make homemade burger patties. I will also link the video below in the description box. You can check it out. These patties are quick to make with just the pantry staples and are so tasty and nutritious that makes your burger bowl stand out. Batch make them in the weekends and store them. They are absolutely freezer friendly and makes your life easy in the kitchen. I recommend you guys to check out the video on how to make these patties. You will definitely love it. To make burger bowls, let's grill the patties. To a pan, brush little oil and grill the patties. I'm making burger bowl with chicken patty today. You can also use veg patty. Cook for 3 minutes one side. Flip and cook for 2 more minutes. The patties are done. Do not overcook them. The chicken will start to release its juices. That's when it's done. These patties are so juicy that make you so addictive. Next, let's prepare our veggies. You can pile up cucumbers, onions, tomatoes, corn, and your favorite pickles like olives, jalapenos, you name it. Even cheese cubes. The options are endless. And the best part, you get to choose what you like and what you have got in hand. Yeah, our veggies are done. Let's make our dressing. To 2 tablespoons of low-fat mayo, add 2 teaspoons of hot sauce and mix well. Season with salt and pepper powder. Our dressing is ready. It's that easy. Substitute yogurt for mayo if you prefer. Next, let's arrange them. Make a bed of lettuce and place our mighty grilled chicken patty as a center of attraction. Just kidding. Okay, next pile up all the veggies one by one, onions, tomatoes, and what you've got. You have got a bunch of veggies and greens in your bowl. You can get creative here and load your bowl with whatever you like. Burger bowls marry all the beautiful things about burgers, from salted pickles to sweet and creamy mayo dressing, fresh tomatoes and delicious patties. It's a feast for Weight Watchers. You get a bit of everything with every forkful. Just pile it all into a bowl and you are set. Bonus, they are paleo and low in carb.
Since this is the monsoon season, our second recipe is going to be a comforting soup. This is delicious, addictive and so satisfying. Pair it with toast and you're good to go.
I call this soup as Sri Lankan soup. When I was traveling to Sri Lanka, I get to taste this delicious soup in a local household. And it was so comforting after my entire day of sightseeing. If you try this once, you will keep making it often. Let's begin by slicing up a piece of yellow pumpkin. We'll be adding carrots and green beans as well. This soup is so quick to make. We'll be adding 2 tablespoons of red dal to it. So when the veggies pair with the dal, the taste is something unique and so comforting and great. Chop the carrots, green beans and pumpkin. The ratio of pumpkin should be more than the carrots and beans. say 1:2 ratio. Next, to a pressure cooker, add 2 teaspoons of oil and add the washed red dal or masoor dal to it. Stir well and add the chopped veggies, pumpkins, carrots, beans. You can also add leeks and celery if you prefer. Give it a quick mix and add around 2 to 3 cups of water. Give it a mix and close the lid and pressure cook it for 3 to 4 whistles. Once done, puree it in the blender. Then we are going to bring this sauce to a pan with some butter and bring it to a boil. Adjust the consistency of the soup as you prefer. I like mine not too thick nor too thin. I prefer a medium consistency. Give a quick stir and season with some salt and some pepper powder. The soup started to boil. At this stage, add some fresh cream if you prefer and give it a good mix. And that's it, our soup is done and ready to go into the bowls. This pairs so well with a crunchy toast. Pour it into the bowls. I like to garnish it with some pumpkin seeds for that extra nutrition and some green chilies for the spice kick. Add a dollop of fresh cream to ease that spice from the chilies. And voila, our delicious soup is ready. This is so comforting, freezes well and ideal for weight loss.
Hope you love these. Do give them a try, and if you try them, don't forget to tag me in Instagram. I would love to see your creation. And if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. And that's it. Alright, see you next week. Bye.